Today we're gonna do a bit something different. As you've seen, the channel is about entertaining you guys and also about waving and what. I don't know. I know mine are not now, but we're gonna show you guys some cutting videos. You see how sad this bra looks now. Don't worry, I'll fix you up. But always, let's get into it. Okay, ladies and gents, so today's client wanted a low fade but not too low. So what you're gonna do is get your clippers out, zero guard on, just basically create a guideline and remove the hairs as I'm doing at the bottom. In the video I'll just be showing the one side and cut the other side off camera. So for the next step, you want your clippers on 0.5. You're basically just gonna move your blades forward to get that 0.5 on it, and as you can see, in a flicking motion, just remove some of the hairs like an inch off from the guideline you created. Now you want to get your one guard on the clippers, but keep in mind you still have your clippers on the 0.5, so it's the 0.5 plus the 1, basically have a 1.5, and yet again go an inch up in the same flicking motion as before, just removing some of those hair. While you're watching, don't forget to like, comment if you see any mistakes I might be making that I can better in the future, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, and smash that subscribe button. With that same 1.5, just go down, and what you're doing there is just trying to remove that line you have on top, because the client didn't want his hair too short at the top. So that's why you're trying to just fade and blend it in nicely there.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels, yeah, she be riding.
So you have your clippers back on 0.5, and as you can see that they're on top of the 0.5 layer that you created, there's a line that you need to remove. So just in a flicking motion, you don't have the whole machine on his head, you just use like one side and fade out that line basically in that flicking motion.
Back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, back in my bag flow.
So what you're basically gonna do now is just put your clippers on like a 0.2 and just in flicking motion again, remove that guideline you created in the first place. If it doesn't go away, put your clippers on 0 and use the corners of the blade to just remove it. In the video you'll still see a line, but off camera I ended up removing it. You won't be able to see because I lost some of the clips, but if you'd like to see more of these videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your guy fresh, but always